Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to wreck your enemy's computer. No, I'm just joking. In this video I'll show you how to create a harmless virus to prank your friends. Now you probably didn't know this, but the people at Windows themselves inbuilt a program into its Windows operating system that allows you to create a virus. You've probably used this program many times before, but you never actually knew what was behind the basic innocent looking program. And the program's called Notepad. Yeah, that's right. Windows 10's inbuilt basic text processing program can be used to create viruses. In this video, I'll show you some basic prank viruses to trick your friends, and if you like it, I'll do a more advanced one. First, open up Notepad and type in this text. I'll leave a link for a document with all the text in the description below. You just have to copy and paste it and save it with the appropriate formatting. Now replace this with one of the many usable numbers. Each number represents a different icon, like urgent, info, etc, etc. And the same goes with the button options. So you can choose whether you want there to be an option to select, or OK, or abort, or many of the other options. I'll include all the available options in the linked document below. Now replace this with a chosen message, and insert your title over here. Now save it as your chosen name. Make sure you include the file extension .bat, otherwise it won't work. And now when you click on it, a fake message box appears. Now you're probably wondering, isn't it a bit obvious if you see a file like this on your desktop not to click on it, as it might be something suspicious? But to get around this, you could just create a shortcut linked to that file with a custom title and icon to make it look convincing. Now the next few viruses I'll be doing on a virtual machine, as they end up crashing, shutting down and temporarily damaging the computer. So first I'll open up Notepad and insert this text. And then I'll save it with the file extension .bat. When you click on it, it starts opening endless amounts of notepads until the system crashes. So as you can see, it's continuously opening Notepad. Eventually the system will crash, and at restart, everything will be back to normal. This next trick is really simple. Just open Notepad and put in this text and save as anything .bat. And now when you click on it, your mouse buttons will be changed. So when you left click, it will be a right click, and right click will be a left click. If you change it back, you can just do it 3 settings. Now for this virus, just input this text with a chosen message. Save it as a .bat. And when you click on it, a message will come up and it'll shut down. For this last one, just open Notepad and input this text. Save it as a .bat file, and when you click on it, it'll just start creating endless amounts of folders.